It's week 5 in our Quilt to Block series. This is our 4x4 hoop size design. You can head over to my website and download this week's free design. I'll link my website down in the description. I'll also link a video that you can watch just in case you need a refresher course on how to place these blocks together. Enjoy!